Hello sir, ma'am, it's me Surot Gongba. I am 22 years old. I am from Hetauda, Nepal. I have complete my plus 2 from Hetauda, Nepal. I work as a barista and I have 4 years experience in barista field. So today I am going to make a latte art.
Ya, sama.